Hi guys, I'm Maithilee and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I am going to show how to make three types of popsicles. The flavors that I'm going to show are mango blueberry popsicle, peanut butter chocolate banana popsicle and mint choco chip popsicle. I did a video about popsicles 2 years ago and I made Oreo choco bar, then mango custard popsicle and a chupa chup sour bites with blue syrup popsicle. If you want to check out the video, I will link it in the description or over here. Also, I wanted to mention my channel hit 100 subscribers and I'm so happy about it and I just wanted to thank you. And without further ado, let's get started. Yeah. that's it for today's video. If you like this video, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, share this video with your friends and family. If you make any popsicles from this video, tag me in the pictures on Instagram. I will leave my Instagram handle over here. And yes, that's it for today's video. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.